Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks for the OPPO A77. So we have to open the camera at first, and we are in the photo mode where we can manually adjust brightness level. When you click on the screen once, you can increase or decrease brightness level by moving this sun icon. To do this manually, click on the screen once. Next, you are also able to use the volume buttons. They are located on the left side. So when you click volume up or volume down, you can take photos. When you click and hold shutter, there's no any function set up actually. So I can recommend you to go to the settings. And we can scroll down for the shutter methods. Or we can go for the volume button action. So currently I just show you that we can take photos by using the volume buttons, but we can also zoom in and out. So take a look how it works when we manually switch this function in the settings. When you press and hold the volume up right now, first of all, we have to also turn off this 48 megapixel mode. As you can see, we can smoothly zoom in to the 10 times. And also zooming out with the volume down button. By tapping right here, we can enable shutter delay. We can do this between 3 or 10 seconds. Let's go back to the settings. We can enable, for example, the grid lines and camera leveler. As you can see right now, it appears on the screen, and it helps us basically to take better composition on the photos. When you go back to the settings, we can also find sharing methods, where we can enable these two options, tap to capture and show palm of our hand. And the last option I can recommend you to turn on is quick launch. So first of all, let's use the tap to capture option. As you can see right now, we don't have to click on the shutter or use the volume buttons. We can just tap on the screen and the photo will be taken. And next we have to switch to the selfie camera, and we can show the palm of our hand. Okay, but it's actually not catching our hand. There's no any action, so that's weird. It's not working properly on this phone. When you use, for example, the Samsung phone, it will works without any problems, but on the OPPO and the Realme, this function is actually not working properly. The last option that we set up, it was about tapping twice on the volume buttons when the screen is off. So take a look. And as you can see, we can quickly open the camera when the screen is turned off. Next, we can also go for the more modes, and right here we can find, for example, the extra HD mode. And with this mode, we'll be able to get more details on the photos. So you have to hold your phone steady, take photo, and when you take a look for the preview, we can actually zoom in really close and find a lot of details. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you like it.